I was gonna do a video today on this beast, but that's gonna have to wait. It's just gonna have to wait for a couple days. I've got something pretty special to show you guys today. For all of you that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I work at a car dealership, and as new cars come in and as pre-owned cars come in, I try to show you those things just so that way you know before you go. You know all the information before you get there, or maybe you're a car guy like I am a little bit, and you like to just know about stuff. So let's get this thing started. I'm just gonna apologize in advance for some crazy wind because it's getting ready to happen, guys. Today we're gonna look at the 2019 GMC Canyon. Canyon that I'm getting ready to show you is not just like any other Canyon. It's in my opinion the best possible build. The most value, the most truck. Yeah, here it is, guys. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start with the outside because it's so windy outside. It's starting to get cold. I think I just wanna get the outside done with and then revisit the inside after we're completely done outside. That's a lot of outsides inside, so yeah. Outside first on this GMC Canyon. Just wanna take a closer look. Truck, and then we'll talk about the new color. We'll talk about the dark sky metallic, which is what this is, and then we'll talk about some of the things that don't make it look so work trucky. Did that make sense? Work trucky? It doesn't look like a work truck. Yeah, so here's the exterior walk around of it. Partially the reason why I don't think it looks like a work truck is you get alloy wheels. They're not steel wheels, so you're gonna get alloy wheels. You're also gonna get the aggressive tail lights. With the V6, you get V6 badges. It's just, sometimes it's just a little stuff. Sometimes it's just a little stuff to make the truck look a little bit better. I did say work truck, but the truck doesn't even have vinyl floors. It's got carpeted flooring in it. Remember the old work trucks whenever you got nothing down there, you could take a spray hose and you could hose it off? Some people like that. At the end of the day, again, it's affordable, guys. It's a two-wheel drive truck under $30,000. This truck actually lists for $28,700. You can't even buy a decent full-size used truck for that much. So a lot of value here. As far as value on the inside, I'm gonna show you a few things here. Of course, it's got the backup camera, and then it also has the color touchscreen radio, right? It's got Apple CarPlay. It's got Bluetooth for your cell phone. Looking down here a little bit further, you're gonna get 2 USB ports and an auxiliary, and then you also get a charger. For a cheap truck, that's standard, which is cool. Automatic transmission. It'd be cool if it was a manual, I guess, but automatic transmission. And then you're gonna get the full driver information center, so there's no restraints to this. You're gonna get your trip bay, your fuel range, how far you can go until empty, your average vehicle speed. You're gonna get oil life, oil pressure, tire pressure broke down by tire. Yeah, there you go. So GM's not gonna downgrade that DIC, that driver information center. They're gonna give you all the features that they would have given you if the truck was $50,000 or $45,000. So I thought that was pretty cool, or pretty nice of them to not dumb that thing down. You're still gonna get all that information. Tire pressure broke down by tire, love that. So just as far as size goes, just for the record, I am 5'8". This does have a power seat. If I move it all the way back, I can barely touch. Trying to go through the steering wheel here, can you see? There's the pedals. Yeah, I can grab them, I can touch them, but if I put my feet straight up, I'm not reaching it. So plenty of space, plenty of space. The Canyon SL package that's $22,000 does not have rear seats. So it was kind of nice to see that they did put the rear jump seats, which is a little tight. They did put the rear jump seats in this one. So if you did have to like put somebody back here in a pinch, they could fit. Not very comfortably, but they could definitely fit. I think I'm stuck, you guys. Ugh. Bust out of here. Right there's another selling feature. This thing was actually assembled in Wentzville, Missouri. So there you go. USA, baby. So I'm just gonna be the first person to tell you guys, ordering vehicles is very difficult. Sometimes we get it right, sometimes we get it wrong. In my professional opinion, this 2019 Canyon, equipped with this equipment, is a great order. It's got all the features that most people would want. Not only that, is it's affordable. It's under $30,000, just to kind of summarize it all up. So if you're looking at a GMC Canyon, or you're interested in GMC Canyon or whatever, just consider this package maybe. Maybe you don't need all the bells and whistles, and that's what's beautiful about it. You can't even see me right now. Come on, I need some focus. I need some focus. That's a little bit better. For all of you guys that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I think you said that at the beginning. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate you. So tell me what you think below, guys. Do you like this build? Do you like this order? Do you think it's something that will sell? I mean, I'm kind of biased. I hope that we do sell it, but again, I think this one will do good. Tell me what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye.